Let's start today's class. Today I am going to discuss insert at begin function in the linked list. How to insert a node at the beginning of the linked list. Now see this here. Void insert at begin. User will pass a value. Now first observe here. First we need to create a node, that is nothing but we need to allocate memory for that node. How to allocate memory for that node? See this one. Struct new underscore node. Struct node star new underscore node. This is a pointer variable. What type of pointer variable it is? Struct node. Struct node. Now come down. New underscore node is equal to struct node star, this is typecasting, malloc of size of struct node. This is the memory allocation for new node. So what is the meaning here? Struct node, okay now, size of struct node, whatever the number of bytes required for this struct node, that many bytes memory will be allocated with the help of malloc function. Malloc function will allocate memory a single large block and it will return void type pointer. We need to typecast that void type pointer to struct node type. That address will store in new underscore node pointer variable. Now what is the situation? Please observe. So memory is allocated. Now observe, look at the diagram here. Memory is allocated. This is the newly created node. This is the newly created node. What is the name of this one? New underscore node. This is the pointer variable name. Suppose this address is 1500. So then here the new underscore node pointer variable contain 1500. That is nothing but it is going to point to this memory location. This is the situation. Now next, immediately memory is available. I can place the value. How to place the value? New underscore node is equal to new underscore node arrow data is equal to value. Suppose if user pass the value 10. So if user pass the value 10, that is nothing but, so 10 will be stored in new underscore node. So here the 10 will be stored. Now 10 is available in new underscore data field. Now this is the situation, case 1 or case 2, whatever it is, we can combine the case 1 and case 2. If it is case 1, that means linked list is empty. In case 2, the linked list contains at least one node. So whatever the case, here we need to store the head address. Here, new underscore node. So see this one. What is the meaning here? Next I am going to do this. New underscore node arrow next field is equal to head. So head address will be stored in new underscore next field. In this case, what is the head address? Null. That is nothing but the linked list is empty. This will be also empty. Okay, this will be null. This will be null. Sorry, not empty. This will be null. So next what I need to do, I need to change the head. Why? Because the previous linked list is empty. The new linked list contains a single node. This will be the head. That is nothing but head equal to new underscore node. So change head equal to new underscore node. That's all. Go to this case. This case, please observe this case. Suppose this is the situation. What I need to do? If this is the situation, example, so new node is created. Okay. Suppose new node data is 5 in this case, example. Okay. So here this is the new node. This address is suppose example 1500. Okay. This is the new node pointer variable. New node is going to point this one example. In this case what I need to do, new node arrow next, that means this one is equal to head. What head contains 1000, that is nothing but, so we are going to store 1000 address here, that is nothing but we are going to point to this node. Yes or no? Now the linking is there, the linked list is linked. Now what I need to change, I need to change the head. Now head equal to new node, so that means here I am going to change the head. The new head is this one. This will contains 1500. This will be the head, new head. This is the way to insert at the beginning of the linked list. So thank you very much.